There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash.
Walking, walking, I love to go for walks. Walking, walking. A book box. I love books. A book. Do you know what letter this is? It's the letter W. The letter W says w. W, 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 wagon! Wagon begins with W. Wagon begins with W. Wagon. Windmill! Windmill begins with W. Windmill begins with W. Water fountain! Water fountain begins with W. Water fountain begins with W. Wet. Wet begins with W. Wet begins with W. Wet. Grown-ups, if you like this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and please tell a friend. Doing so helps me to grow my channel so I can create more educational kids videos for YouTube. I'll see you in more videos of the Gisele Mishmash.